Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to tackle a problem that many Windows users may be encountering, which is the two-finger scroll feature not working. So if you're unable to smoothly scroll using your two fingers on your laptop's touchpad, you may try these methods out and see if it works for you. So you may head over to settings, hit Windows plus I for that, and your settings should directly open up on your screen. Once your settings opens up, go to Accessibility tab right here from your settings. Open up your accessibility settings and you may find different options. You may go to the option called mouse pointer and touch, or you may look out for this option for mouse as well. So let's head over to this one right here. Once you are here, you'll be finding different options right here. You may look out for your touchpad option here. Or if not from there, go to mouse pointer and touch, open it up, and you may scroll down and you should be finding this option called touch indicator. You can turn this option on as well, and you can search for this option called touchpad, gestures, sensitivity, find this up and open it up. Once you find it up here, you will be taken to this section. Now, if this option is not turned on yet, you can just go ahead and turn this option on here by clicking on this toggle option right beside it. Just go ahead and do so. And you can expand this right here, and if this option is not turned on, leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected. You need to turn on this option right here again by clicking on it. And once you do so, you can scroll down and find this option for scroll and zoom as well. Expand it up and you can just go ahead and check mark this option, drag two fingers to scroll and pins to zoom, and you can select your scrolling direction as well and do so. And apart from that, you can select more touchpad settings as well and turn it on, and you can select your speed for yourself and etc. And from here, if it's not working, what you can do is you can even reset it. Select this option for reset right here, confirm it and do so. Apart from that, what you can do is you can go to more touchpad settings from here, and you can go to pointers, and you can select this option for normal select and click on apply and click on OK once this is done. And that's it. So you may try out this method and see if that fixes your solution. And if this method worked for you, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.